You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Hello friends, this is your friend Kiran, and today I'm gonna tell you about the benefits of journaling. It's really very beneficial for me, so that's why I just want to share with you guys. Journaling is just an awesome thing that one can do in his life. It's really very important. Why I'm telling you that, because I personally wrote like all my thoughts, all my thinking, all my feeling down in a paper, and then I'm become so relaxed, so calm, like it gives me a great pleasure. And you know one thing, it gives me a clarity, like Kiran, you are doing this, you are doing that, and it's very important for you guys that you must be clear that what we are doing. We are just running so much all day we are doing this, that, and it was an endless running, you can say. So it's very important to be calm down, just sit and just think what we are going. Journaling helps me a lot. It gives me a great strength to think that what I am doing right now. It's my preferable time to write down my journal at night, because whatever I did my whole day, whatever I did, what are my achievements, what I'm grateful for, and the most important part which I love a lot, like forgiveness. I feel myself such a standard one that yes, I'm forgiving you for that. You did such a wrong thing for me, but I'm forgiving you because you don't get that family background which I have. You don't get that basic knowledge, basic informations. So it gives me a great strength to just forgive them. So in my journal, you can say there are 4 steps only. First, I just write all the gratitude things I'm grateful for. Like I'm grateful for my parents, my family, and my colleagues, most importantly my friends, which make me so happy. So first thing, it's a everyday practice, and it gives me a great calm in my life that yes, I have everything. And I think it's just come in my life just because of Secret Book. I just love that book a lot, and every time in my every video I'm just saying the same thing, that you must read Secret Book, because it gives me or it tell me the benefits of gratitude. There are a lot of stories and real life stories, they change their life totally dramatically just because of one thing, which is gratitude. They feel gratitude for whatever they have. So in my first journal, I just write down all the things I'm grateful for. Second, affirmations. Yes, I am best, I'm this, I'm that, like I'm winner, I'm whatever I think of myself, I just write it down, all affirmations, because I knew 1 or the 2 days after it will become the reality of my life. So second thing. And third thing, whenever I just read some quotes, and just it just shook me from deep inside my heart, or it make me little excited or little positive. So whatever those quotes are, I just write it down. Mostly I don't have those quotes, but whenever I got it, I just write it down. Like I wrote this, I just love this quote, which is, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. It makes me so satisfactory, like whatever mistake I'm doing, just because I have started to be perfect. Okay, I'm not perfect. It gives me like, you are free, darling, you are free to do whatever, because you are new here. So this quote, like I just love this quote a lot. So and the fourth step, which is, whatever my dreams are, whatever my wishes are, what I want to be and where I am. So I write all the things, whatever I did for my future planning, whatever I did, a little thing, like if I want to become something, what I did. Do I read about those things, or do I just know those informations? And whatever I did for my future, I just write it down also. It gives me a great satisfaction, like, darling, yes, you are doing great. And the most important part of my journal is that it gives me a aim. Like, Kiran, you don't waste your time here, you don't waste your time there, because you know you have that purpose. You just have to write down on your journal. So it gives me a great responsibility, like, see, you are not free one, you don't waste your time, because you just have to write it down on your journal that, Kiran, you wasted this time here, you wasted that time there. And you know, all the things I'm doing is just because of my journal, because I just have to be responsible for my journaling, that yeah, I did this, that, yeah, I wasted my time here and here. So I'll just make my it makes my mind very clear that, darling, this is your purpose, this is your aim. And the best thing about journaling is it makes me always on a track. I'll never off track, never, because I know I have to write down in the night, because before sleeping I'll just write it down. It's take me only 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, and it gives me a full strength. You can say it's a refreshment for me that yes, I did really great, and it's give me a satisfaction. Then I'll sleep very happily that yes, I did everything well. So it's very important for you guys. Thank you, Didi. This is my card because these are this time is corona, you know guys, we just have to be perfect. Your immunity system should be best, so that's why I'm just using this kadha. This is not any other thing, it's just a tulsi leaves water. So you should be thankful for everything, whatever you have. Like, thank you, Didi. She's the one who made me to be perfectly fine, okay, and healthy, wealthy wise. So this is it, guys. I just love to be journaling. Whatever is in your mind, your feeling, your thoughts, your emotions, everything is in it. You know, earlier what I was doing, I'll just write whole my feelings, thinking, everything, like I'm very sad because he said this thing to me, that thing, whatever is in my mind. But right now I'm little mature and I'm now not writing everything. I'm just like, there are 3-4 steps, because it took a lot of time earlier, but I have a lot of time earlier, so I'll just write it whatever is in my mind. But right now just I have gratitude, affirmations, little quotes which make me positive, and then what are my achievements, what I did today for the whole. And the most important part which I want to tell you guys, you just do that, which is you have to be whenever you are writing anything, you have a great smile on your face. You have to be very happy that yes, you are writing this, because it's really very important. It's make you always on a track. Whenever I'm writing, I'll just be on a happy mood, happy face, being positive, because it's very, yeah, it's a very good thing that I'm just writing down everything, whatever I'm doing. And I'm like, you know, do you know Annie Frank? She is such a little girl, and we all know about her just because of her writing skill, because she has a so earlier she had that habit to write down everything. So you must write it down. Like, I don't want to show my journal earlier, because I'm like, it's little personal things also, but I do write, because whenever I just go back and see my all those journal, I'm like, I'm such a stupid one. I'm writing these stupid things. Why I'm just too bothered about whatever the people told me, like, you are that one, you are not that beautiful, you are not that whatever they said, you don't have to be behave, you are just a quirky one, whatever they said, I'm not writing it down and just being so sad. Like, but I'm very happy that gradually I'm improved on